Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Alright, I'm about to install the front coil springs. That's your part number. DLC 85390. And this is for front heavy duty coil springs. This is the front coils, the door lathes. And you need the tool to compress the spring in order to install them for the front. Okay, I'm about to install the roll ball joints. This is a Duralast FA533G. And on this one, you gotta chop these rivets out, factory rivets. One right here, one right here. Take this bolt out the middle. Get your air hammer and your chisel. Alright, I got it chopped off, both sides. This is what it looked like when it come off. Just come down from the side like that, and come straight down. It'll pop right off. Then get your point set up. And hit right here with the point and knock that out. Alright, I chopped it off, but I'm finding out that that rivet on the opposite side, on the inside, won't move. I take that 5/16 drill bit and just drill it on back. And then hit it from the top right here. Look in that hole, you can see it's coming down through that hole. Alright, I got it out. Now what's going on is when you knock these out, you still got a little lip that's on that edge. A little bigger drill bit to just make it flush where you won't have that edge. But I didn't want to extend my holes bigger. So that's what was holding it, that little edge right there. So I will try a bigger bit on the next size and see if it's easier. Should be easier. But you see this rivet on this side is not budging. This one moved a little bit, but the looks of it, it did just a little bit. I'm trying to push it all the way over out this way, but here it is. And here's the new one. Got the bolts in the pack. There's the part number. Let's install it. Alright, I put some paint on it. Touched it up from the little nicks. Okay, I got it on. Got the bolt in the nut. Nut and lock washer. Now I'm getting ready to install the coil spring. Alrighty, we got our coil spring in there. Brand new upper and lower ball joint. And it's the right side. Now we got to do the left side. Alrighty. We got our coil springs done. Both sides. We got a spindle on. It's all coming together.